Time for frustrated Nigella. I'm cooking adobo tonight as requested by the husband. Very simple Filipino comfort food. I've cooked it before. Here are the ingredients. Chicken is important. Yes. Alright, so now we need to brown the chicken. It doesn't have to be like cooked through and through. I just want to like brown the outside. And then now we transfer it out of the oil. And we're gonna start cooking the rest of the ingredients. Yay! Okay, so now in the same oil that you used to brown the chicken, you're gonna saute some garlic, a shit ton of garlic. And now you're gonna add in half a cup of soy sauce. You can reduce it if you want, if you feel like it's too salty, but it's gonna reduce later, so. And then 1 cup of vinegar. Okay. Laurel or bay leaf, maybe about 3 pieces. And a ton of peppercorns. Okay, so let's bring that to a little cute little simmer. And then after that, we're gonna add in the chicken. Yum! Oh, sorry, I forgot. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water as well, so that it's not too salty. Okay, so it's like bubbling now, and we're gonna add in the chicken. Easy peasy, right? You don't even need to marinate it like the normal adobo recipe. This is like Adobo Express. It's so easy. You guys should do it. Add in the chicken. Oops. And just let it boil. Let it simmer until you see it later. I'll show you later. Haha. And this is how it should look like after 1,000,000 years boiling in the pot. The chicken is brown through and through, and the liquids have reduced to this kind of oily state. It's supposed to be a little bit oily. And last but not the least, we shall add just a tablespoon of sugar, just to kind of caramelize it and to balance off the flavor so it's not too tarty because of the vinegar. Yeah. Just mix it up for 5 more minutes and then we're done. Yum! And there you have it. Chicken adobo. Yum!